You want to apply a pitch bend like this. So 5, lower 5, upper octave of 5, the 5 notes. So when you hit the upper one, you drag the pitch bend upward. So immediately you take the pitch bend upwards, you bring it back down, or you leave it, you let go, then you play the 6th. Then you come down to fa mi re, fa mi re. So all these things are like adjuncts. Like when you're cooking the soup, you want to add different ingredients to make the soup interesting instead of just playing progression all the time. These are things you could do when the song is going on. So then I'll show you the groove, then I'll play it with the beat. It goes like this. Very simple. So the 1, 4, back to 1, then the 5th. So simple. So do mi, the 6th, 1, 4, back to the 1, then so playing everything together. My left hand chord, because you mostly want to be doing chords on your left hand because of the bass guitarist. Okay, for this groove, it's 1, 1, 4, 4, back to the 1, then 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. So playing everything, it goes like this.